Alright y'all, so this is first thing in the morning. I decided I was going to make some country style ribs. Country style ribs are, sometimes they're boneless, sometimes they're not. I'll show you. These are frozen, so they're just basically boneless pieces of pork. But sometimes you could get some with bone in them, and that's fine. It doesn't matter. It can be boneless or not. These are still frozen, so I'm going to cook them on low for a few hours, and then I'm going to add my sauce. I'll come back and show you that when it comes time. The first thing you need to do is get your crock pot plugged up and put on low. Spray the inside of your crock pot and put just a little bit of water in the bottom, like just a few tablespoons of water. That way they won't stick. And these are frozen, so I'm hoping that this will, de-thaw enough, in time for dinner, because I forgot to lay them out so they could thaw. This is about 3.5 pounds worth for our family. I won't have a recipe for it because it's basically just, the crock pot's going to cook it real slow all day long. And then we'll just have a little bit of, baked beans, stuff like that to go with it. And I'll show you all that. But I'll see you back here in about 3 or 4 hours. Hopefully this will be cooked down a little bit. Okay, y'all. So it's the end of the day, mid-afternoon, and the pork ribs are done. What I did was I took them out and I poured off a majority of the juices and the grease, water, whatever that cooked off of them. Now you can leave that in there, but that's just a lot of soupy mess that you're literally going to throw away. So I went ahead and poured it off, and I left just a little bit, literally a couple tablespoons, in the bottom of the crock pot. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take our favorite barbecue sauce, and I'm just going to mix it up with hot sauce because that's the way we like it. You can do it any way you want to. A lot of times you're going to get these specialty barbecue sauces and stuff like that, and you literally do not have to do that. You can use your favorite, this is our favorite barbecue sauce. You can literally use your favorite barbecue sauce and then do whatever you want to with it. Add the little things that you like the best. And my husband's real particular. He doesn't like saucy, swimming meat in sauce. He doesn't like that. So I have to kind of be sparing with it. So what I'm going to do, this is about 3.5 pounds of meat. And I'm going to cover everything, but there's it's like layered, there's other meat underneath there. So instead of covering every one of them, I'm just going to do this. Now, this is something that you could do. Say I'm just going to sprinkle the hot sauce on now. You could put it in a bowl, mix it together, and then do it. You don't have to do it this way. But, and then I'm just going to let that continue to cook on low until it's time for supper. So it's going to sit here for at least another hour. And it's just going to kind of warm everything back up, kind of melt down the sauce, and then it'll be ready to go because it's already cooked. Okay, these were the ribs finished and plated up with potato salad. Like I said, real easy, and you can have ribs year-round. Just use your crock pot or your oven. It's real simple, real easy, and it really just takes your favorite barbecue sauce. And it's your favorite barbecue sauce. You can add things to it, or you don't have to. You can just use barbecue sauce and your favorite cut of meat. And then I just did a simple potato salad. It's not difficult at all, and it's in time for our weeknight meal. All right, see y'all next time.